Take a look at that beautiful cake there, babe. That is nice, delicious cake. Hi, welcome back to another episode of Cooking a Day in the Kitchen. Today I'd like to show you how I made this nice good strawberry cake. Very delicious, easy to make. Follow along with me and I will show you how I made it. Thank you. Okay, we're going to start out with 1 stick of butter. That makes a half a cup of butter. And then we're going to start out with a cup of sugar. Followed by 2 cups of flour. 2 eggs and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and we're gonna blend this together, well together. Okay, one thing we want to do though is we're going to put half a cup of milk in this. I think that will help quite a bit. Okay, now we're going to put in some sugar-free. If you see that, yeah, sugar-free strawberry preservatives. And what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and dump this whole thing in here. Now I'm not going to add a whole bunch of water to this, but I'm going to add just a smidge. That'll be enough. I'm just going to let this put down some a little bit. Okay, that's what we're looking for right there. Okay, what we're going to do now is we're going to put this into the batter. Get enough right there. And then we are going to whisk this in. Okay, we'll come back in 1 second. Okay, well, I think it helped us a little bit. Let's put a little bit of food color in there. We got some red color. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to pour our batter into our cake. Okay, we're gonna come back. We're gonna put the stove on 350 Fahrenheit for about 45 minutes or until this is done, and we're gonna come back and check up on it. Okay, now while we're waiting on our cake to get done, we're gonna take our store-bought frosting, icing, and we're just gonna open one thing, and we're gonna dump this whole thing into this pan with the rest of this strawberry preservative. Had to put a little bit of food coloring in this to get us the certain color, to the pink color. It's gonna be a good cake. Okay, we're gonna put our icing on this. Start by. Okay, take a look at that. We're gonna come back after looking at that. That's a beautiful cake there. We're gonna take a taste on this. Okay, we're done with this cake, and we're gonna do what's a good old taste. Let's look at the coloration of that. Very beautiful, nice cake. Take a look at that. Oh my God, that's just delicious. Oh my God, that is so good. That is very tasty. That is so delicious, I swear. I want to thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you do subscribe to my channel, hit that bell so you don't miss a notification. And I will see you next time. Good delicious cake.